Hello friends, today we are starting the new challenge, that is a day 20 sorting challenge. So here we have to use a sorting algorithm, that is a bubble sort, and we have to solve this challenge. So when you see, let's see what task has been given. So you can see here, so they given simple bubble sort, how we write a bubble sort. Basically we have the elements in a array, that is A, and we compare these elements, first element to the second element. If you find the first element is greater than the second element, then we swipe them, and we just make records how many swipe has been happening. Then this will continue till the loop end, so that at end we see that all elements are sorted, and from smaller number to like a ascending order. So in a task they given, we basically receive one array and the size, and we have to sort this on array by using bubble sort, and we have to print the first line array is sorted in this many swipes, and the first element of array is this one, and the last element of array is this one. So if you see, right, this is the sample output. So this is how we supposed to print. So let's see the code, how we can write this one. So let's start coding. So we can see here, they are already given code to read stdin and given into array. So we just have to use this array, implement the bubble sort algorithm, and print the expected output. So what I will do, first I will declare an array as a global variable. This is int1. Okay, once array is declared, so I'll go back here and write code. So as we know, we have to write two for loops. So before that, I want to put this number of swipes, okay, for equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. For one more loop we have to write. J equals to 0, j less than n, and j plus plus. Okay, so here, so this should be one less. It should loop through one n minus 1. Okay, so now we have to do comparison here. If and yeah, we have array A here, So instead of this a, I want to make it as a global one, that is ARR, right? So okay, so this one, right? So whatever values we are appending to the ARR here, and if ARR of I, not I, basically j is greater than ARR of j plus 1. Okay, so in this one, now we call a method. Okay, maybe you are not seeing my screen fully, so this is what I have done. So I have declared one variable here, created a two loops, and calling a one function here, swipe function. Swipe function, in this one I pass index j comma j plus 1. So we are passing to the function saying that which index elements we have to swipe, right? So after this I will write function swipe a comma b so a ARR of a comma r of b is equals to ARR of b comma ARR of a. So here we have to tell this what kind of data type it is. It is just to swipe, right? So it will just swipe our elements. Okay, so till this program looks good. So whenever if see that there is no elements, okay, here, so and remember we have to count the number of swipes also. So when this loop is over, we have to compare if number of swipes equal to 0, then we have to break. And after the break, and the end of the right fmt dot, so printf, so what we have to print, array is sorted in dash swipes. Here instead of this variable I will put digit comma number of swipes. Again same fmt printf, again so first element %d. So we should print a new line here everywhere, so I will put /n comma a of 0. Again fmt printf last element. Last element again %d and /n, comma err of length of err -1. Okay, so this code should work. Let's run code. So we got one compilation error here saying that cannot use as int in the append. Okay, that is in the column in the 29th line. That's okay. I can convert this into int. Okay, here this is a working code and I am able to submit as well.